Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My channel name is CG English Wala. My name is Pankaj Devangan. I hope you are doing great and you are learning in a great way. Today I want to share one thing how I practice with speaking apps. Yes, I have mentioned these things on previous video and if you didn't watch my videos. So please you can visit my YouTube channel. And I am a beginner and I want to improve my English language. That's why I'm here on that platform so that I can share my English journey with you. So you can inspire to learn English, to be good at English. And I can do it. Definitely you can do it. And I will show you how to practice apps. So I use CV apps, and if talk about CV apps, CV apps is totally free. CV apps provides only 30 minutes on daily basis, and where you can download CV apps. So simply you can download these apps on Google Play Store. These apps available on Google Play Store and useful apps. And if you want to improve your English language and you don't have any co-learner around you, so please you can use this app to improve your English language. I will show you how I practice, how I speak with any co-learner through this app. So stay tuned till end. It will help you to how to speak and how to connect and how to talk to any co-learner through practice app. So hi, how are you? I am doing well. Thanks for asking. Where are you from? Yes, I hail from Chhattisgarh, live in Raipur. Raipur is capital of Chhattisgarh, where I live with my family. So where are you from in Tamil Nadu?
Sure, so I'm living in Tiruchirappalli district, which is located in central part of Tamil Nadu.
Yes. So what do you do for livelihood? What is your profession?
Come again? Actually, I didn't get it.
What do you do for livelihood? What is your profession?
Yeah, actually, basically, I'm a working person in a private firm as a tutor.
Yes. So how long have you been doing the job?
So I think just for 6 months. So last year I joined the job.
Yes, it has
Just,
been 6 months completed you doing the job.
it's been, uh, so it's been going on well.
Yes, that what is the reason behind you couldn't use this app last year?
So because I had a lot of work for my family work and also searching for a job.
Yes,
First, with the welfare scheme.
yes. You are busy to searching for a job, and you faced some issues because of your family. That's why you were not able to use properly.
Yeah, of course, absolutely right.
Yes. So, whenever you have a time, then so how many times do we spend on this app to practice? Yes, I know you are a normal user. So, CV apps provides only 30 minutes on daily basis. And if you use 30 minutes in a proper manner, so you can improve your English language with the help of 3 minutes. And there is no need to take any subscription. And you
Yeah,
can, yes, you can learn how to speak and how to hold any conversation for a long time, at least 30 minutes. Then say you can go for a taking subscription on that apps. But at an initial level, 30 minutes is enough for every call learner.
of course. So whatever you said is absolutely good and also fine for me.
Yes, because I am a normal user, so I didn't take any subscription. So I am comfort to talk to any co-learner for 30 minutes. So I don't need to take any subscription. And sometime I need a more minute. So I use another ID. So I get extra 30 minutes. So all in all, I get 1 hour. So I spend 1 hour on that and this app from 7 to 8 o'clock. Yes, yes.
Communication skill.
Yes, yes, yes. Because consistency is a key to acquire and obtain any knowledge, not only English, but also what you want to achieve in your life. So you should be consistent first. You should be dedicated and disciplined first toward your communication part. Because every good thing requires passion, dedication, devotion, and make some time.
So then we need it sometimes, but it will take some of things it will take much more time, and it will some of the things so that it will take very less time. So depending upon what we are using, how we are doing, and how we put our effort